carry 20 yams. I'm carrying only 3 and I could run. So, ajá dúró ràn mí lẹ́rù, fẹ́rẹ̀ kúfẹ́. Tó bá dúró ràn mí lẹ́rù, fẹ́rẹ̀ kúfẹ́. Wọ́n kígbe olóko agbó, fẹ́rẹ̀ kúfẹ́. Agbó o, agbéwádé, fẹ́rẹ̀ kúfẹ́. Agbéwádé, àgbà wá níṣu, fẹ́rẹ̀ kúfẹ́. Àgbà wá níṣu is already claiming the yam as his own. You know? He said he's going to scream so that the farmer will catch them there. You see, treacherous friend. He's not even thinking about being caught. He's thinking about, oh, he's going to catch both of us because you are running faster than me. But I was the one who was greedy, taking this huge basket, right? So that's the story about Ijapa in Yoruba folk tales. Ijapa is a very popular animal in Yoruba folk tales, and there are so many stories about Ijapa. Just like Anansi, the spider from Ghana, just like that. So Ijapa too has its own stories, right? Many stories of Ijapa like that. So I want you to color Ijapa. You know,
Are you supposed to color it
the real tone. Yes, you can use the real tone, which is like grayish color, greenish gray, right? Greenish grayish color, and or you can just color the Ijapa any way you want. Okay, you can put beautiful colors in there as well. All right. So that's my own Ijapa story for you today. So Ijapa is supposed to be very cunning and very greedy, right? Very greedy and always, doing the wrong things and getting punished for it. Like one time he went to the Babalawo to get a medicine for his wife so that his wife could get pregnant. And the Babalawo made some food for him and put it in a pot and told him to carry the food and take it home and give his wife. When he got to on the way, the food was smelling so good. So he sat down and said, let me eat part of this and, let me eat a little bit of it and then I will just take the rest to my wife. So he sat down and ate the food and his stomach started to expand. Started to get big and big and big. And I did a story about that. And what I did was I actually moved the story beyond where it stopped. So instead of him just busting into pieces, it started to float away. It started to float. I started to beg, help me, drag me down. Yeah, that's what happens to Ijapa all the time. He's always asking for help when he gets into trouble. So that's another story about Ijapa, right? So you can start coloring now and then.